Yeah, man, mash junk Queenie and be Queenie left Queenie in a mood, be Queenie have to show certain feelings. You see it and I say, yo, do it. She really miss Dewey and Dewey forward the one back and she, yo, me have to really edit out some of the video now for certain things. So Queenie, I say, yo, you can't play upon YouTube, you see it. So you don't know. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV. But Queenie, they are ball up a Dewey, yeah, man. That's the real thing, yeah.
Tell me what you got.
Even though she got ass, I should not pay me no man. Only my people not pay me no. I don't even check that not pay me no man. Cry for do it, I want that. I'm never making that play when I'm a song. Not pay me. No, she doesn't say me a bad. Somebody asked if I said I'm a bad. Pull up me here, put up on the other table for pull up me here. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, you do it because it's my birthday, you do it. Kingston 62, you do it. And Marsha, if I go up and Mama take some of the drink, yeah, do it. I win Marsha. Do it, Mama, tell you how it go do it.
Music.
Yeah, do it. Do it. Marsha and birthday arena, Father, them a go up. So, do it at this year, do it. With the big backline, him left the court this year. I'm a church at this year. And I'm drunk, I put the Kingston 62 at this. And I drink it, yeah. I'm a really drunk. Yeah. When I can't call, do it for me. I jump free the jump. I look cute and I jump down. Yvette not pay. Yvette! Right, crazy is pull out your ear, Queenie. My favorite tiger. Sad are your husband and you can't call him. Not a puppy dog face. Sad are my so wait that me can't call my husband. You can't call him? I ask you a little question. Me can't call my husband. You can't call my husband? Balling and laughing. You can call my husband? Answer. Leave my husband alone. Queenie, you don't call like a junkie something. Queenie, who is Tracy? Why she's talking about them? I wouldn't Tracy. I don't know. Tell Tracy to come eat it, man. Like no I never married to her. I would Tracy say, Tracy, what did you? Why are you being fucking drunk? Tracy, you have to attack me when I'm drunk. Do not drunk. You only ever come alive when you can't reach. Watch ya. You wait now. 159 days old. What you know about me and my husband? Let me tell you, I just up on the live a while ago. I really the live. I just up on those phone before I come on this right now and tell those, do tell me something nice something. And do say what kind of nice something to tell you when me live on the phone every time. I say do tell you something, your wife something nice. Move your leave me, I'm a nice good and some cute good man. And do not riddle, my diddle, riddle, my dot. When I'm husband, that is the way. Leave me, my husband. Until time, see you, him hate you. What you on a wish? Oh God, me like on a jealous. I grudge me to me 55 soon. I have husband now. Grudge for. None of the can get good, do you know? None. I'll do it, guy, and do a stamp up. And then say butcher stamp the meat. So. And then go to some my husband.
One Guinness.
That time beat me.
And great for me, so I never dare tell if you take it and you think, Sam.
Name. Do I love you? Do I miss you? I want your body. I want you marry me. And I love you.
Nobody have to beg yourself to true.
Do we never join the live or post about you? Your husband doesn't love you. Text and love are not the same. Move here. My business for more love me. I love him and no can love him like me. So that's stand. Where my queen? It's my husband. Move. You don't care measure nothing to do it. Or nothing for me. Shut the fuck. I'm gonna get a phone and have a bond with your husband. Don't come and tell me about my husband. Rude. How my junkie. Good night. It's 3:55 in the morning. It's Saturday morning. My junkie. Yvette, that little drinking something nice.
Yeah,
Can someone at my husband and tell him that I'm junkie? Man will do it for every all. Lie. It's the one who will do it for and I'm man will just taste me junkie. Do it eat your mama. Move your blood. Move the plunk. Tongue stop. So do it eat your mama tongue. Me junkie. What you do it eat you and your careless.
thank you very
junkie.
much. Good one. Good old.
One queen in the day. Me junkie. Junkie for.
Company to now go tell her about doing this and doing. You know, can't find out different.
Junkie for. Move on. I don't supposed to live in a dirty blood. Good thing on a TikTok this. Go over yourself.
Every time when it's come on live, I say, she already know. Everything when I say, she know. What I say,
My junkie.
try to see people come fit.
My junkie. Embarrass your mom. Your mama Pella Morena. Your mama is embarrassing. Your mama flip your father it. And your father listen to the contents. Listen to the entry. Listen to the mother. Me junk. Don't Queenie, nobody don't like me. My husband right next to me. Your husband next. Right to you. My husband is in America.